Hello everyone, it's me again. In today's video, we'll introduce you to the world of Forex trading, tailored for beginners. Let's get started. First of all, what does Forex mean? Forex, short for foreign exchange, is where the world's currencies are traded. It's the largest financial market globally, with a staggering daily trading volume of over $6 trillion. Forex trading involves buying one currency while simultaneously selling another. These transactions are carried out in currency pairs. The most traded pair is Euro to US dollar. When trading, you'll see two prices, the bid, the selling price, and the ask, the buying price. The best way to get started is by opening a demo account with a Forex broker. This lets you practice and understand how trades work without risking your real money. Traders use two primary methods for making informed decisions: fundamental analysis, which looks at economic news and events, and technical analysis, which studies price charts and indicators. Crucially, managing risk is a fundamental aspect of Forex trading. Use stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and only risk a small percentage of your capital on any single trade. To put your new knowledge to the test, consider taking on a demo trading challenge. This will help you gain practical experience and confidence before trading with real money. There you have it, a quick introduction to Forex trading for beginners. It's a vast and exciting market, but remember, education and practice are key. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading insights. Happy trading!